Also, accidental viral moments. You see that they say accidental, and that's because like it just happens, and it can only happen when you are posting consistently. When you are being on the radar, you are being on the ladder, you are being everywhere, you are posting consistently regardless of the video. You're not bothered about it. It is bothering you, but you're not bothered about it. One of your video will pick up, but if you're not posting, how will your video pick up? It's not possible. It's not possible. For my other channel, when I had my first viral video, it was 4 years after, and I was always consistent. But just imagine I was not posting. How will I get the viral video? Because I was not posting. That means I will not have the chance to post that video that went viral because I was not posting. Do you get what I'm saying? So please, you need to keep posting regardless. It's very important. I understand you seeing it as oh, it is exhausting, but you also have to look at it that oh, I'm building my house. It's a baby step. I know it is frustrating, but I'm building it. The next one is monetization goals. Yes, if you are posting consistently, you have content on your page, it pushes you to the point where you get to your monetization. When I got monetized, I did not have any viral video, but I had people watching my videos. I got monetized during that stage, and I also got my 4,000 watch hour. But how will you get your 4,000 watch hour or even your 1,000 subscriber if you are not posting because you are not feeling motivated? Due to that, everything links and everything relates to, you need to keep posting. You don't have to have a viral moment before you get your 1,000 subscriber. You see some people getting their 1,000 subscriber and they are monetized, but their views is less than 100. But you see the amount of content they've uploaded. They've uploaded more than 200 content. Tell me why everything will not amount to 4,000 watch hour. Do you get what I'm saying? So you need to just keep posting. Another one is brand authority. And you know, I said you making money off of YouTube can also come in place of brand deals and digital marketing and whatever. So if you are posting consistently regardless of the views, but you know what you are saying, you are posting quality content, people will know you that this person, they talk about this thing, they know what they are saying. Brand will notice you. Brand yes, they want large following. They also look for accounts that have small following because they know that they have tight-knitted community. They have community that will stand behind them, and those communities are their money. They look out for channels like that. So you have to build an authority in your niche. Know what you are saying and keep talking about it. People will be willing to work with you because they know that you are very efficient. Regardless of the video, you keep moving. If you yourself want to make money and you want to do a digital course, your community will be willing to pay because you've set yourself as an authority to them. They see you as you know what you are doing. Do you get what I'm saying? We rather pay for courses that small channels are doing than big channel because they believe small channels know what they are doing. They are doing it because they genuinely want to help. Whereas they believe that big channels are doing it to get more money because you already are following. What are you looking for money for? It's not, I don't think it's something you really want to do. You're just doing it because of the money. Some people think like that. You can't excuse that. Build yourself. Build an authority in your niche. And to do that, you need to keep posting consistently. Another one is sharpening your own camera presence. You notice that your first video, you might be shy, you might be talking one by one, you might not be looking at the camera lens, you might be looking at yourself or even some other things, or you might not even be talking audibly or even be talking properly. And that's because you are shy. It is your first time, you don't know what you're doing, you just want to do something. But once you are consistent about what you're doing, you're always posting, you've posted a lot of videos, you notice that you're not more shy, you're getting comfortable. I could remember when I started doing vlogs or when I started posting, I was always like very rigid, very because I don't want to do mistake, I don't want to sound, I don't want to look somehow, right? But now I'm free. I say what I need to say because I know what I'm talking about. In my vlogs, I'm not shy to act like I would normally act. I act like myself. And that's because you're already familiar with your camera. You don't see it as, oh, what's this? You see it as, I'm talking to my people. Do you get what I'm saying? It's very good because people need to realize that, oh, you're comfortable with yourself, to want to relate, to be able to relate with you. If you are looking rigid or you are looking not sure of yourself, they'll be like, you're not sure of yourself. How are you so sure you are sure of what you are saying? Do you get what? All of these things are things that you need to put in place, right? They are the benefit that you stand to get, because at the long run your channel will blow up. And these are the things that has to be in place for people to be able to keep being on your channel and keep enjoying, keep watching, keep coming back, keep requesting for more. And it's not going to be a point where, yes, you have a viral video, but after they subscribed and they watched that viral video, nothing is going on your channel again. And that's because they don't see reason to subscribe. Because you can also think about it that, okay, they came because you uploaded a different video that is not your niche, right? Yes, some people might not keep watching your video because they came for that particular video, and since they are not seeing something else, something more that is related to what you've posted that made them come, they'll leave. But the reason why some other people stay is because, oh, I like the way you talk. That means they want to see something else about you. Like they don't mind seeing something else relating to you. So far you are talking, oh, I like the way you are so free, you are not rigid, oh, the way you talk to us. Do you get what I'm saying? There's something else that they are saying. It's not just that video. So those are the people that you need to draw in. Do you get what I'm saying? So I've experienced this, I know what I'm saying. So I really want you to also, you know, put this into consideration and keep going. You need to keep moving. You need to keep moving. There's no time, there's no chance. You know what I'm saying? The next one is future proofing, and that is, there's some videos that are evergreen. Like even if it has low view, you notice that I've even noticed, I've checked my analytics. So I always say, let your analytics be your friend. There's some videos that will not pick up months, years, and they'll pick up years later. That's because it's an evergreen topic. That time that you made it, yes, it was not being searched for, people are not really talking about it. But the moment people start talking about it or searching for it, it's your video that will pop up first, because it has been on the platform. It will be among the first video that will be shown to people, because you are the only one that have made it at that point. Yes, some people might not start making it, they will follow you, but you'll be at the top. That's how it works. Evergreen content are very good networking opportunities. If you are posting consistently, right, it gives you chance to network with other creators in your niche or even outside your niche, thereby increasing your chance of getting seen by different eyes, or getting recommended, or getting more subscribers, or even more views. Because when you network, it's a chance to get introduced to different eyes. You network with a creator in your niche or outside your niche, their subscriber will subscribe to yours. You're networking with their person, with their favorite, or you said something that is really smart or really nice, they want to see more of you, they subscribe. It helps you, and it also helps the person you're networking with. And also networking, go out. If there's like an avenue where people in your niche are meeting up, meet up, let people know that, oh, I have this channel, I do this and this, I talk about this and this. Tell people about your channel. It helps. So you don't just feel, I don't have up to 1K views, I don't need to network. No, even if you have less than, you can network. You just have to find someone that will network with you in your niche or outside your niche. That's just it. I think that's just it. Networking is really good. It is really good. It helps a lot. So another way to network is to reach out for collaboration, like I said, reach out for partnership, for interview. And even when you do interview, if it's not related to YouTube, you can say, oh, I have a YouTube, I speak about this topic and this topic. Or even if it is something related to your niche, it's an avenue for people to know you and know about your channel. It's really good to not lose your motivation, which can be very hard. The goal should be like, I'm looking at the future, like I have a target, not like, oh, I'm not getting it, what is my target, I want to do this. So you keep working towards it. That's how you get your viral video. That's how you achieve monetization. Because I believe everybody that wants to keep posting, being consistent, what's at the back of their mind is they want to get monetized and make money off of it. Do you get what I'm saying? So if you want that, then you know you're not supposed to quit. Then you know you need to keep posting. You need to keep being in people's eyes. You need to keep being in the ladder and keep moving to be recommended, to rank up the top. Do you get what I'm saying? To improve your skill. So all of these points are important points that you need to put into consideration to to make yourself stand out, to really see yourself as someone that know what they are doing and they have a target. I hope you've learned a lot, because I've also learned a lot. I hope you are able to do this and implement this on your channel, and by God's grace things will change. It might not be now, it might not be the next year, but it will definitely change. I'm a living testimony of that. So please do well to subscribe, because I'm posting content regarding YouTube growth, monetization, earning, etc. Just make sure that you're subscribed, so that you're always like getting the good nugget and you're getting inspired. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.